What's up, folks? Science Morning Update. August 1st. It's the first of the month. So, today, this 7470 will be important. I'd watch that. 58. Actually, it's about 55 is going to be the level to watch. They parked it at 58, rallied it back since. I would like to see it below that for any bearishness, but ideally I want back below the 32.28 area. We cleaned up those singles yesterday. We cleaned up everything yesterday, and then we parked it above this 85 high. So again, this 85, 88 is going to be important. Your next level up is 0207. 02 was where I have the cash gap. There's some discrepancies about that, but I have the opening at or the closing at 02 and then the opening at 85. So 02 is really my target, but 027 is going to be, possibly 10, but we'll see. But that's really my next level up. Above that, possibly 30, but then we get the 42, 45. And then we've got singles all the way up to 704, 705. So we'll see about that. Then you had your tippy top here at 715, and we get up above 715, and then we're off to new highs. So everything was saved. The world didn't end. Our bots came in and held it. So this 32, 33 level held twice. Considered you got your double bottom. You popped up. This one ranked through the bottom. During Microsoft, we opened up 20 from that, and then we just ripped pretty much all day. With a huge, I think it was over 2% gain. NASDAQ did the same thing. So as it stands now in this market structure, your downside days have been limited to, rarely a 2%, but your upsides can have them. So it's very interesting. But that's the market we trade, so that's what we trade. So today, I don't know. I could see a consolidation up here or another run at the top. My target really is going to be this 0207 level, probably 0208. That's where I'm going to be watching for resistance. I think if we can get above that, then they're going to just continue it up, and I would look at the 43 level. Downside, same stuff, right? 32.28, and then your 05 to 98, and then your monster here at 54. 45, and then down below. So I don't know today. Rel Vol's at 108, so we could see some stuff. Pivots at 36. I like that. My magic green line's at 32. Your 2-month POC is at 31.5. So that level is going to be a monster. So anything down on that, I'm a buyer because I don't see it dropping. Here's your daily boop boop, and then scream back up. So this drop was nearly 400 points. This was only about 300. So take of that what you will. They closed July higher. Congratulations, fam. We did it. And 74 is your actually 72 and a quarter was your July close. Here's your weekly. Up, 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 and then park down. So interesting. And then 46.45 gets us back above R2. Who knows right now? Monster cash gap left yesterday, 93 to 36. We still have a bit of a cash gap. We should fill that. We're going to go above that today, actually, 51 to 55. But we chewed into that one pretty good yesterday. And then we have another monster cash gap from 22 to 67. That was from the highs. So I would expect that to be filled. What would be interesting to me, and this is just me thinking out loud, is that they fill this cash gap and then come back down. Sometimes repair work is what I like to see. before a move. So they come up to repair something before the downward. But I mean, I don't see that today. I just kicking it around. Euro down, and it's just below the 5,200. I'll be watching that. Nvidia went from 100 to 120, so it's at 119 now. So in 2 days, you've had a 20% ripper, which is fascinating because it's the third largest company in the world, and it trades like a penny stock. ES up 30, Nasdaq up 116, Dow up 74, and RDY up 4. So I don't know today. Stay careful. Again, I'm looking at that 0408 level or 0207 level on ES for a resistance. If it gets above that, then I'll definitely long. Stay safe, and I'll be in the room.